Hey friends! Sometimes you come up with ideas and products that are so simple and elegant you almost don't believe it's true. And that's the case for this product, IGEMS Express. It's an interface for our CAD CAM, which is super simple to use. It works for all the subscription licenses, and here's how it works. The first thing you want to do is download a fresh IGEMS CAD CAM version. So you do that at igems.se or check for updates. Just click updates to the latest version here. You will find IGEMS Express right here from the IGEMS drop-down menu. And by clicking it, we open this interface. For each job, you will be prompted with this machine selection window. And these are the machines that come pre-installed. So we already have Flow, IGEMS, and OMAX machines. If you have other machines, contact your machine supplier and they will supply you with the right machine files. So here we can set the material and we can set the thickness of this material. Click OK. Obviously, if you are in the US or if you use the Imperial measurement system, you can change that right here. So what you want to do is add files, and we can open a lot of file types as you see down here. But for now, let's just open these DWG files. And we get a preview here on the left side. We can change the quantity of these, of course. Let's make 10 of each. And we just want to use a regular standard sheet. So we click Create Job, Standard Sheets. We have our sheet library where we can add or remove sheets. Click OK, and some nesting settings. Click OK. And that's it. We have a ready job. We created this job at NC Data. All 60 parts were nested, and they have a toolpath, a cut order, and everything. So that's how easy it is. This is a job done right here. But let me show you another cool feature that we have. New job, yes. So we are prompted with the same dialog. Click OK. We can add shapes here. And let's add this one, for instance. We can set our parameters of this shape. Click OK. Close. Let's add some other files. Unfold here. Open. And let's just have these. Now, I want to trace what's on my machine table. So we have this snapshot feature. I'll link more about this feature in the description below. But what it does is it takes an image of your machine table, calibrates that image, and gets a bird's view, like a top view image of your sheet. And then we trace that sheet. So these pink lines are actually traced from that sheet, from that image. So we can click Create Job from current sheets. Same nesting settings, OK. And boom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts on this remnant sheet that was basically scrap material. Really nice stuff. I hope you play around with this solution and let us know what you think. Catch you in the next one.